thing I want to talk is about protocol validation. One good practice is that you can document this whole process as a protocol. This is how you are going to do your research. You're not doing it, but this is how you plan to do, and you can get it verified by an expert in your area. So this could be somebody other than the one in the SLR team. Yeah, so not your co-authors, but someone else. An example of this you can see in this paper here. So they say that we decided to seek advice from experts in the conduct of SLR to define a systematic, full, and comprehensive process. In this sense, a full professor of software engineering at the University of Seville participated as an external expert to validate our review protocol. Okay, so this is another step that you can incorporate to further strengthen your research methodology in your SLR paper. Okay, so it's a very straightforward process, but it's a process that you should incorporate if it is possible.